I just got my box in from Nightshade. So I'm going to do an unboxing of my new Fursuit. This ain't working. Never cut towards yourself. Ever. I'm looking at you, Walmart employees. I used to be one of them. Huzzah! Oh my god! It was just put in plastic too. Nice. Oh, I don't know if you saw it. This little space thing. I thought it was so cute. It's amazing. Oh my god, there's little gifts in here too. Oh, so fluffy. Fluffy. Pretty sure this is a left paw. That's good. So soft. Other paw. Obviously, same thing. Got little black stuff on it. It's gonna drive me nuts. Give me a brush! Tail! Oh my god, I could beat somebody to death with this. I'm here. More brushing. I need more brush. Double loop. Ooh. He does good stitching. And the head! Blech. Just a soft head. Look at all these little black things. Drive me nuts. Oh god, he's shedding. Can I wear my glasses in here? I'm gonna try. I can't see it without them. Or permacasts. Ah! Oh, please tell me my head fits. Take my glasses off. Wow, this actually has really good visibility. Pretty good breathability too. What else is in here? That's adorable! It's a little plush! Little plush! He's got a long tail. Adorable! I'm gonna unsuit myself real quick. Ugh. Right over here. Stay. Good boy. No. No. Stay. I need my glasses. I can't see without these. Next time I'm gonna have to try it. God damn it. Boy. Got this little package here. Take a little present. I didn't get anything for my birthday, so this is perfect. This is amazing. I'm not sure I can bring myself to eat it. Turns your tongue green. Oh my god. Why not purple? His tongue's purple. Oh. Oh my god. God got my name on it. That's awesome. Thank you so much, Nightshade. Thank you. Alright. Decided to put on the full suit. Tail. Collar. Paws. Face. I'm good! Everything fits so perfectly. I love it all. Thank you again, Nightshade. Thank you. Anyways, thanks for watching. This is one of my previous videos. Take a look if you want. And here's a video YouTube thinks you like. I don't know. It's over.